Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about something that's taking over the health world, fibermaxxing. If you want to take your health to the next level, this video is for you. We're going to dive into what fibermaxxing is, its benefits, and how you can easily add fiber to your diet. So let's jump right in. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And don't forget to hit that. What is fibermaxxing? Fibermaxxing. You've probably heard of it, but in case you haven't, it's a health practice where you increase the amount of fiber in your diet significantly. Simply put, you start adding more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your meals, aiming to boost your overall health. The main goal of this practice is to supercharge your digestive system, help with weight management, and enhance your overall well-being. The benefits of fiber. Now you might be thinking, fiber is just for digestion or constipation, right? Well, there's so much more to it. Let me tell you about the amazing benefits you can get from fibermaxxing. 1. Better digestion. Fiber keeps your digestion smooth and helps prevent bloating and gas. When you eat fiber regularly, your digestive system stays active and healthy. 2. Weight loss. Fiber helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you'll eat less. This naturally leads to weight management and keeps you from overeating. 3. Heart health. If you want to manage your cholesterol levels, fiber is the way to go. It supports your heart by lowering bad cholesterol and promoting overall cardiovascular health. 4. Blood sugar control. People with diabetes can benefit greatly from fiber. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is key to managing diabetes. 5. Improved gut health. A healthy gut is linked to a strong immune system, and fiber plays a big role in keeping your gut microbiome balanced. A healthy gut means better immunity. How to start fibermaxxing? Now you're probably wondering, how can I add more fiber to my diet? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Start by including more fruits like apples, oranges, and berries, and vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and carrots into your daily meals. 2. Whole grains. Add whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats to your diet. These are packed with fiber and essential nutrients. 3. Nuts and seeds. Snack on chia seeds, flax seeds, and almonds. These are fiber-packed and full of healthy fats. 4. Legumes. Add lentils, chickpeas, and beans to your meals. These are excellent sources of fiber. Potential risks of fibermaxxing. Now, while fiber has a ton of benefits, it's important to remember that excess of anything isn't good. If you consume too much fiber too quickly, you might experience gas, bloating, or even diarrhea. That's why it's best to gradually increase your fiber intake and listen to your body. And of course, if you're unsure, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor or nutritionist before making any major changes to your diet. So there you have it. Fibermaxxing is an amazing way to boost your digestive health, manage your weight, protect your heart, and improve your overall well-being. If you're thinking about adding more fiber to your lifestyle, start slow, listen to your body, and adjust your fiber intake according to your goals. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need more health tips, drop a comment below, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to share it. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next one.